Do you want to know how to swap and bridge crypto in Phantom Wallet? Well, in order to do that, I will show you the few steps in order to do this. So just head over first to your Phantom Wallet, and from there you can see the swap option. Just head over, click on it, and then in here you can see this. So you can choose in here the actual cryptocurrency. So I will pay Solana, and I will receive in here some other currency. So for example, let's choose USDT. So I will pay around 1 Solana, and it's equivalent, and I will receive in here this amount of USDT. You can see in here the actual conversion, and from there you can click on this provider option in order to choose the provider that you want, because some provider offers higher exchange rate than others. You can see in here the real time provider as well as exchange rate for that. Now, as you can see, we also have in here the fees as well as price impact and slippage. Just click onto this next option right here in order to swap those together.